Hi everybody. Hey, it's Leanne. How are you guys doing? I have something fun for us to make today, which is a treasure jar or whatever you want to call it. I have lots of them. Here's one from the beach that has sand in it. Do you see the sand in the bottom? I think that's cool. Here's one that I made also with a lot of shells and also has sea glass and stuff. And here's a gigantic, heavy one full of marbles. Look at how giant and cool that is. Gigantic jar. Ugh! And then I have a tiny little jar that's from my friend's wedding celebration, and it has some fragile little shells and tiny little acorns, or not acorns, pine cones in it, and little very fragile shells that I love. So I wanted those to be someplace more safe. So it's a cool place to kind of keep some cool collections of yours safe and also display them. And all you need is some kind of a jar, right, that you'll put in recycling, like spaghetti sauce, or you could even use a peanut thing. That's plastic, but still cool. And then I have this one that I started that's from instant coffee. And that's kind of a cool one because see how it's like flat on the front? So it shows more of your stuff. Anyway, it's fun. Take off the label. So you might have to soak it in soapy water and scrub it off with something, scrape it off. And then you can put anything in it. So I have some more cool shells. Here's a piece of really worn brick from Lake Michigan that I found. Here's some really nice smooth shells that I like. And this cool big marble, I'm gonna put that in there. That's pretty cool. And then have this L cookie cutter for Leanne. Put that in somehow so you can see it and tell that it's an L. Well, that's a little tricky. Okay, there we go. And then some other cool things. Here's a little ball, boink. Some more little shells. A gigantic acorn top, which I think are so cool. Can make a puppet show with your fingers. Hello, hang in there. Okay, we can do it. Let us know what you need if you need anything. We love you and we're praying for you. And here's our jar. Let's get back to the jar. Oh, whoops! There goes my hat. Anyway, there you go, and then close it up. Now another thing you can do with some of these things, those are really pretty jars full of cool things, but say you wanted to take a few of these favorite of yours, let's just say those are my favorites. You could take a little, if you have a little cool pouch, you could take a little pouch, put them in and make like a little medicine bag for yourself. That means like things that when you touch them, it's a little touchstone that reminds you of some good memory, something good, and you remember that you're good because God lives in you and me. So if you don't have even a pouch, you could take a piece of fabric, make your own medicine bag with a little piece of string, and that could be a handkerchief or whatever, that little piece of fabric. Take your little things and put them in there. Close it up, right? And then take your string. You might need help. I might need help. Anyway, see, put your string around it and just tie a knot. If you don't tie it all the way, or if you know how to tie a slip knot, that's a good way to do it. A little tricky with one hand. But anyway, get some help if you need it. But there you go, tie that. And then you got a little medicine bag you can put in your pocket or whatever. Carry it with you. Okay, we carry you with us in our hearts. Love you. Mwah. Have a good day.